Hello and welcome. This is Albana from Bulgarian Mama is Cooking, and in today's video recipe I'm sharing with you how to make an awesome mushroom soup that you and your family will fall in love with. So put on your aprons and let's get started. So for this recipe I'm only gonna use the mushroom caps, meaning I'll remove the stalks, wash the mushroom very well, and then a great trick to clean the mushrooms very well is sprinkling them with a little bit of all-purpose flour. This will work as a gentle exfoliator to the mushrooms and will remove all the dirt. I'm washing every single mushroom one by one to make sure every single dirt of them is removed and they're clean, and then I'm gonna move them to a large pot and I'm gonna add the water. Now it is important that you let the mushrooms boil for at least 20 minutes, but if you want the bouillon to be more flavorful and richer, then definitely let them boil for at least an hour. Now I'll strain the bouillon and let the mushrooms cool down for maybe 20 minutes. While waiting on the mushrooms, I'll take care of the rest of the soup. Here in this pot, I have a little bit of olive oil. I'm adding some onions, and as soon as they're caramelized, I'm adding the carrots as well. I'll give everything a good stir, and then I'm gonna go back to the mushrooms. Now, I'll chop the mushrooms and then leave them on the side. As soon as the carrots release this beautiful orange color at the bottom of this pot, I will add the washed basmati rice. I'll give everything a good stir, and then to that I'm adding 1 cube of chicken stock. Now garlic and mushrooms go very well together, so now before I add the bouillon, I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic, and then later on I'll add another one. Next, I'm adding the chopped mushrooms. I'll give everything a good stir, and it's time to add the bouillon. I'm using a strainer. I'm adding the bouillon all at once, and then it's time to add some herbs. I'm starting with the garlic clove, followed by the savory, a little bit of black pepper, some nutmeg, trust me about the nutmeg, a little bit of thyme, and last but not least, some dried mints. I'll put the lid on and then I'll let it boil for about 30 minutes. Now if the bouillon evaporates and you don't like the consistency, you can definitely go ahead and add a little bit more water and let it boil for a longer time. But if you like the consistency and it's good enough for you, don't add anything except a little bit of fresh dill. Trust me about the fresh dill. Dill, mushrooms, rice and garlic are amazing combination. Serve hot and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Bulgarian Mama is Cooking. If you have not yet and you're interested in such videos, then hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell so that you get notification every time when I upload a new video. And I will talk to you very soon. Bye for now.